Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook deep fried prawns with butter and garlic. Now I have 350 grams of prawns. We're going to clean the prawns first. Then we can take a look at what are the other ingredients that we will use to cook deep fried prawns with butter and garlic. So how to clean the prawns. Today I have a very nice and fresh prawns. And today I'll be cooking the prawns together with the shells. So how to clean the prawns is, first I'm going to cut off this long whiskers and also the leg. And now I'm going to use the toothpick to just poke through shell here between the last two part here. And we're going to pull out the prawns vein here. See? Normally the prawns have this vein running through the back of it. So it has a lot of sand or what in there. So we need to clean this up first. And what came out and put it back. So that's how we clean the prawns. So I'm going to put it aside. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clean up all this. Then after that we're going to wash it. Then we can take a look at what are the other ingredients to cook deep fried prawns with butter and garlic. Alright, these are the ingredients. So 350 grams of prawns is already cut and clean. 2 tablespoons of crispy fried garlic. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh garlic, 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 red bird eye chili, 2 cubes of butter, and some parsley for garnishing. So first we're going to marinate the prawns with salt. So I will use half of the salt to marinate the prawns. And put all the garlic. Marinate prawns with salt and garlic. And now I'm going to sprinkle the flour. So now we're going to fry it. I have heated oil in the pan. The oil is really very hot. So now we're going to put in the prawns one by one. When putting in the prawns in the pan, right, we need to put some garlic to let it stick on the prawns. This side is already cooked because it went into the oil first. So I'm going to remove it from the hot oil. Switch off the heat. Alright, prawns is ready. Now we're going to put it aside while we prepare the garlic butter. In a separate pan, I'm going to switch on the heat. I'm going to melt the butter. Use the low heat for this. Put in a little bit of salt. Put in the bird eye chili. The crispy fried garlic. Alright, so now when the butter is melted, I'm going to switch off the heat and put back the prawns. Give it a stir. So we're gonna coat the deep fried prawns with melted butter. Last, we put in the parsley. This is best served when it's still hot and crispy, so I'm going to dish out and serve. Lovely deep fried prawns with butter and garlic. This kind of prawn is okay to eat with hand. Let's eat! Look at that. Delicious. The prawns is very fresh and it's very sweet. It cooked just perfectly and it has a very nice aroma of the butter, the garlic, and a little bit of heat from the chili can really enhance the taste of the prawns. Overall, it is really delicious. It's simple to cook and it can be enjoyed by the whole family. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye-bye. Do you know the prawn's head can be eaten? And I love to eat the prawn's head like that when it is crispy. So good.